This lovely lady loves to nibble on police officers. That's a weird diet.
You are Monica Haynes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We had another Haynes. You're Monica Jenkins.
I'm Monica Jenkins Haynes. In jail, they had me, they used all my names, my mom's name, my. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Well, on 41528, the indictment states Monica Monique Jenkins.
Yes, sir.
That's you, though.
That's me.
Okay, and then 23 CR 2003 and 2002, the numeric sequence. You are charged as Monica Jenkins Haynes, and that's you as well.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, now let's go over this mess here because we got to figure it out how to sort it out. In 423-41528, this alleges that on or about December 23rd, looks like 2 days before Christmas, in 2022, over a year ago, you're charged with the second-degree felony of assault on a peace officer. Let's say by kicking the person in the leg with your foot, and you knew the person was a peace officer lawfully arresting you. Then in 23 CR 2002 and 2003, these similarly allege that on or about October 19th of 2023, which would have been about 10 months later, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second-degree felony of assault on a peace officer in each case by kicking one officer in the leg with your feet, and in the other case by biting.
I can't bite, Judge, because all my teeth have to be.
Am I gonna look? Are you gonna interrupt me?
No,
We'll be here all day.
no, sir.
Don't do that. You'll have a chance to be heard here. Just don't worry. Let me speak first. That's the way the rules. This alleges that you bit the officer on the leg with your mouth, and those are two instances that look like they occurred in the same event.
Correct.
Okay, I'm looking at these two probable cause affidavits in these two events. Have you seen these?
Yes.
We got a problem, don't we?
We got a problem.
On this, you've seen it?
I'm not
Okay,
giving her
on
to-
the probable cause affidavit of these last two cases, it's like they looked at a different probable cause affidavit. Because probable cause affidavit, she began kicking Officer Froman's right leg, causing him pain. However, that is what's indicated in 23 CR 2002.
Yes.
For 2003, however, this indictment alleges that the defendant bit the officer on the leg. But I'm not sure that's what this says. Listen. And kicking his best while putting Haynes in the rap sheet, bit Officer Froman. She then grabbed my right hand and dug her nails into my forearm and trying to scratch me, causing me pain. That is written by Officer Mitchell.
Yes.
And it says Mitchell bit Mitchell, but she didn't. This says it
wrong.
scratched Mitchell, but she kicked Froman, which is what's alleged in the indictment. So 2003 is doesn't conform with the complaint.
And we'll make, Judge, we'll amend that. We'll do it formally. I'll do it by motion to amend it so it reflects what it should be, because I think what they did is it wasn't, it's not reflecting.
No, it's not.
We see that.
No, it's not, but I don't think you can amend it.
Well, I mean, we can re-indict, and I don't mind, proceeding just on,
All right.
as, meaning that's obviously there's an error in that. However, the one that remains, taking to from, and
You got two other cases though.
same
None of these are
behavior.
good, and they all constitute second degree felonies where you can be sentenced up to 20 years in prison in each case. So you're looking at up to 60 years in prison because police officers, assault peace officers, they're acting. In fact, they're acting for you. They're trying to help you, and that's what's ironic about some of these cases. So today, what do? Reset this, because y'all got to redo this, I guess. And I'm going to reset it for 4 weeks, unless y'all tell me.
For 3 months.
I'm going to say one more time. Don't interrupt me. You'll get a chance to speak. You're just getting in deeper trouble because when this lady can't do her job as a court reporter because more than one person is speaking, the law states she's really the most important thing, because if somebody interferes with her ability to type everything that's going on, which she cannot do when people interrupt, because she can do 350 words a minute, which I think is a world record, but she can't type when several people are speaking. Don't interrupt. Everybody gets a chance. But if she can't do her job, everybody involved gets in trouble, including you and lawyers. So do not get everybody in trouble. You're in enough trouble. You're looking at up to 60 years in prison here, unless you navigate through this thing with good advice that he can give. So I'm going to reset this for 4 weeks, and but we've got 2 separate events where similar misconduct. See what we can do, or else we'll go to trial on each one and try 3 of them, and that's a way to do it. But maybe something can get resolved. How long have you been in jail now?
In jail for 3 months, but I'm a trustee, so I have 345 days. 3 months.
Okay, that's all I want is day for day. How much?
90 days.
90. Okay, I'm gonna reset this 4 weeks and see if y'all can resolve the indictment and any other method, and then we'll move forward. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. I'll reset that. Thank you.
Hello, it's me, the one and only. I would like to welcome back my subscribers and say hello to the new guys. I wanted to use this moment for the new guys to ask them to subscribe to my channel. I know that you would hear that from everyone that has a YouTube channel. They include crime channels. And since there are so many, I wanted to give you one of the reasons why subscribing to my channel is a good idea. When you choose to watch court cases, you are taking a chance that the case is going to be worthy of the spending of your time on it. And when you select a case, you are wanting to be entertained by what the judge says and how they say it, and anything else which is unscripted, as that is the entertaining part. The problem is that to get to the entertaining part, you have to go through the mandatory scripted parts. Here at OTR, I don't want my subscribers watching boring, repetitive, mandatory readings into the record.
State compliance with discovery, proceeding on the indictment as presented. Did you cite it in all the appropriate? And if you have a right to jury trial or right against him, bargain page, did you review that? 9352 offenses at the plea. Understand it, sign it, and all witnesses' statements and police or stipulations. Court will
and that is why I edit all that boring stuff out, so that my subscribers know when they click the mouse on my episodes that the time they spend with me is a decision well made on time well spent. So I ask the new guys, why not subscribe to OTR and spend your time hanging out with me and my subscribers, as we are the guys that don't have any time to waste. And to see what I mean, I've placed an episode up on screen, so take a look and see exactly what I mean. And the next time you're watching a case and hear that mandatory stuff, you'll remember that other channel you subscribe to doesn't leave that boring shit in.